Hey guys, just wanted to show you the progress on this little project. This is the '04 Honda XR650L I picked up. The high kilometer bike. It's got about 40,000 kilometers on it. Had a really bad top end rattle when it got hot, so I decided to take the engine apart and rebuild the top end. Just pulled the sleeve off. Actually doesn't look that bad down in there. Got the head there. There's the cam. I think this is the culprit. There's a decompression ratchet right here, and I think it's worn. It's really sloppy. So, I mean, the ratchet still works, but some of it's really sloppy, and from all the research I've done online, it points to the problem being that camshaft. These are only about 200 bucks online, so I'm just going to buy a new one and replace it. There's the head, the radial valve assembly. So I'm going to take this cylinder and this head and related components to a machine shop that we have out here and have them machined. I'm also going to take the piston, replace it with something a little newer, get new rings for it, and put this thing back together. Hopefully the chattering sound's gone. So anyway, yeah, this is the bike. I made a video earlier of it. It wasn't a very good video, so when I put this thing back together, I'm going to make another video introducing it, and then throw this video after it and make a little montage. So thanks for watching.